Are you thinking about exploring Europe by train? The Eurail Global Pass and the Swiss Half-Fare Card are two of the most popular options for travelers. Which one is right for you? Let me help you decide. The Eurail Global Pass is your best friend if you're hopping between multiple countries, especially if you are using high-speed trains like the Glacier Express. These journeys can get pricey, but with the Eurail Global Pass, you can save a lot, not only on the tickets, but also on the seat reservations. And yes, seat reservation is separate from booking tickets. Some high-speed trains require you to reserve seats in advance, even if you are traveling with a rail pass. I have added all the relevant links to the video description. We use the Eurail Global Pass while visiting 6 countries. With the Flexi Pass, we only enabled it on the travel-heavy days, like when we had to take multiple trains or expensive high-speed ones. We got a 4-day second class Flexi Pass for around $317, and trust me, it was completely worth it. A point to note here is, cost of the pass may vary depending on the season. So we booked our global pass from Eurail. I have included the link in the video description. This pass also offers discount on seat reservations. But remember, these discounts are valid only for the days you have enabled your pass, so plan wisely. One of the best things about the Eurail Global Pass is flexibility. For example, we reached a station early and simply hopped on an earlier train with no extra charges. So once you buy the Eurail Global Pass, it's pretty simple to use. You just need to set your journey in the Rail Planner app. Then you need to reserve the seats. Remember to reserve the seats early because limited spots are available for Eurail Global Pass holders. We have learned this hard way and had to book some of the tickets without the pass. The third step would be don't forget to enable your journey in the app before boarding the train to avoid hefty fines. Now you must be wondering how to enable a journey with the Eurail Global Pass. It's super simple and let me show you how. First, open the Rail Planner app and find the train journey you want to enable. On the right hand side of the journey, you'll see a slider button. Slide it to enable your journey. If it's a new travel day, the app will ask you to confirm. Just click confirm and you're good to go. Now when the ticket inspector comes around, simply tap on the journey you have enabled and click show ticket. This will bring up a QR code. That's your ticket. Easy, right? Just show it to the ticket inspector and you're all set to enjoy your ride. Quick, simple and hassle-free. Now let's talk about Swiss Half-Fare Card. The Swiss Half-Fare Card is perfect if you're planning to stay in Switzerland and not hopping to other countries. It costed us around 120 Swiss francs. We bought it from the SBB website. I have added the link to the video description. With the Half-Fare Card, you get 50% off on most transport, including trains, gondolas, and major attractions. It's a lifesaver if you're heading to places like Jungfrau, Schilton, or taking short scenic train trips within Switzerland. So, which one should you choose? It completely depends on your itinerary and travel style. If you're traveling across multiple countries, go for the Eurail Global Pass. If you're focused on Switzerland, the Swiss Half-Fare Card is your best bet. We had a combination of both. Do you have more questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel tips. See you on your next journey.